was arguing with me. He's a bishop. He's from Ghana. He said, Evangelist Fumi, we are listening to your message, but don't say nonsense. Don't teach us wrong thing. I say, yes sir, what is the wrong thing I teach? He say, you say if somebody say hello is demonic, it's not good. I say, yes sir, I said so, I never denied. He say, okay, what about the Lord's Prayer, our Father who art in heaven, hello? I say it's not hello, it's allo. Go back to your dictionary. There's difference between allo and hello. HALLO is different to HELLO. By the time you remove O from hello, what will remain? L. So I just greet you in the morning, or you call me, I just mention hell. L. It's a language of hell. It's long.
So guys, my people, not be smart, you know. I don't come with another video of Mommy Gio. And I don't say this Mommy Gio, and I just shut down the social media site since since last year. To this Mommy Gio, and she just get the social media site. Just name her Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, YouTube, Twitter. Just name her. Now this Mommy Gio, in fact, they give her an award for 2022. But when I know ever since when BBC they interview this Mommy Gio, she can't be like say man, she can't see ceasefire one kind. When I understand now, when I know say she come out can't deny some kind issue when it be like say man they trained well e.g. just like the time when she take come and do one video and be say man it really go viral well when she say anybody when be footballer say na direct to her na that person they go. My people not be smart, you know. All these one as na churches when be say man Nigeria government supposed to they close one by one. This one not be say God not go vex for them. You understand me now? All this one I face me, I face you, lie people. They defraud people, they defraud their members. You understand? All these one are churches when be say man Nigeria government supposed to they look into. There are many churches for Nigeria when be say man they're not supposed to be church. They're supposed to they close down this kind of churches. You understand? But they don't want they do the right thing. The things when be say man even they draw Nigeria go back. They don't know say na churches. Many churches not be all anyway. They know they go leave that one. They pursue Obi Kubana. They drag Obi Kubana up and down. See say now today Obi Kubana don't they exist. I will say not be mama burial when this man come do Obi Kubana. Nobody, many people be not even know her before for Nigeria. Many. You understand? But ever since then when be like say man, he doing mama burial, it can't be like say man, Nigeria government they can't fix camera for everybody. You understand? I know say news, you see the trade now for the social media side. They say they cash and withdraw. We they come, we go touch that one later. Unamdi Kanu did that they drag that one for granted. Not get what do they will not be Nigeria problem. Or more or less who already there not be Nigeria problem. All these kind of churches now churches when be say for Nigeria, when Nigeria government supposed to take time they look into. You understand? They will close down this set of churches. Not be say they will leave waiting they suppose they do, they'll go they do another thing. You understand? It not really make sense at all. This other update one they see for my screen, so you see they come from Mommy Gio. He say if you be baker, he say you go make heaven. He say because for heaven now you go bake whether na communion. He say now you go bake communion bread for them. Hi. God, me I will soon go learn baker now because me I want if na baker go make me make heaven. I need to go learn now. Because this one I not be sin again. Say me if you commit sin, this one I not be say you give somebody RIP. This one I not be say do not commit adultery. Hey, bakery. If you if you be baker now, you are freed straight to heaven. Nothing go even if say you give 100 people RIP, you 12 people wife. You do some kind of things when be say may not even call for they do some kind irrelevant things they go. All those are not even serve now. He say if you be baker, you go make heaven. My people. Not be well, I don't understand. I will say not be BBC when be like say me can't expose these people now. They for never enter also. Now know say if now observe now, since then when be like say man, BBC they interview this woman. You can't be like say man, this woman can't enter us. Why you go say somebody when they do bake, when they bake now go make heaven? Person when they bake now go make heaven. Then who one can go here? You forget those things when God say make we they do. Number one, love. Number two, God say now as in our love now be the biggest commandment for Bible. Love. Another thing not they. Number one, na be that love. God so much care about love. Love na be the, as in na be the number one biggest thing for inside Bible. These are Mommy Gio say now people when they bake, na then go heaven. Problem not there. This other update see they come from Mommy Gio. Say now she they use prayer, then they pursue in members. I don't they come across this video ever since, but based on say many videos, they won't be say me I need to carry. I know they need to one when be say me. Me watch this short video, guys.
Some people go say if truly he has anointing, a member will have been more than this. For your information, I'm the one that used my prayer to block crowd. I told God I don't need crowd. I'm blocking crowd on my nails because I don't. What do I know with crowd? Some people go say if truly he has anointing.
Guys, I also now watch that video. Not be smart, you know. She said what she want to do with crowd. She said now she they use prayers, they pursue her members. Now the video now they see for my screen, so when they display, they're not force on for a month. Una don't ever see any Daddy Gio, any Mommy Gio when they pray to God say I don't need members for my church. Una don't ever see. Una not see all these people, all these one not be church. May they go close all those churches when they gather money from poor people hand. May they go close all those church. May they leave people like the Obi Kobana alone. May they go they face churches for Nigeria. Many churches and they don't collapse that country finish. They don't finish Nigeria. As in they don't run Nigeria dry finish. Believe me. Wahala dey. Where this other update, they say that government official don't arrest. They don't grab one man be like say me they work for government house. In go give one 13-year-old pikin 365 degree. My people, I come across this update. I say show. Wonder shall never end though. Wonder shall never end. 13-year-old pikin. 13-year-old girl. Pikin when be say man. Pikin, I not even this one now I'm saying pikin when I mean pikin, this one see they saw breast safe. May you they see how people take they wicked for that country. May you they see how people take they as in take they diabolic for Nigeria. 13 years old, I don't understand. Person when supposed to be your granddaughter. Now the man I they see for my screen when they do this kind of thing. So my people, I come across this video. I say show this update. I may not be video. This kind of old man, 70 years old man. We go they give 13 years old dog pikin girl basbos. Go they give her 365 degree. Carry one of your leg go Kano. Carry the other one go Zamfara. Inyano one go Benin. Inyano the other one go Lagos State. Show. Hey, wahala dey. Well, guys, this other update one they see for my screen. So when they display now, one of our popular cross-dresser for Nigeria, when they call James Brown. My people, can you imagine? When I don't ever see where man to man. Oh God, have mercy on your children. Imagine as me your day now, I go say na man come be my own partner. I don't understand. I go the whole and the roro body, man like me. Oh God na merciful God oh. God na merciful God. Our government they there. Not be say they not they see all these kind of people won't be like say man that they pollute that country. They not go talk to them. They will leave them go they chase innocent people when be say man they don't they hustle right from small picking. They see and I say God that they bless them, they don't they blow e.g. person like the Obi Kobana. They below them for ground, they lie, they follow them. Today they'll say now they into money laundering. Tomorrow they'll say the cash and withdraw. Next tomorrow they'll say do this one. The other they do that one. Whereas people when be say man, Nigeria government supposed to they face. They don't they face them. All these kind of people like them James Brown, they're supposed to they say kiri. Yes, they're supposed to they inside one place. They blink eye. Every day they give them one slice of bread with half cup of water. So that if you be say if you come out for that tomorrow, if you see anywhere therefore they do that thing, it go run, it go vanish. It not go even run, it go vanish. Sure, if you not they fear you might be not they fear God. You not they fear God. My people, now wow for Nigeria. Well, guys, in case today now the first time they come across this YouTube channel, my name is remain Urum Pikin. But make you help me share out this video, subscribe for more updates. Don't forget to hit on that notification bell so that anytime we be like say, man, we drop any new update, you go be among the first person when go receive the notification. Don't forget to drop your comment below because through your comment, now I go take note. What will be your opinion regarding this very video? Because me, I dey read on a comment. Well, without your comment, I not go feel observed. Say, man, you can't view me here. So, guys, I go leave una here while I go see una for the next update coming up soon, guys. Respect, one love.